Hey guys, let's head to Party City and get some costumes for Halloween.
Hi, Jolene.
Look at Jolene just taking it all in. She is such a sweetie.
I don't like
Wait,
her.
who is that?
I have no clue. Anna.
Just try it on.
Daddy,
Let me
Mommy
see.
is giving me consequences. She's making me try on a banana hat.
Let me see it.
Don't fund it.
That's perfect.
No, I'm not this one.
So cute.
I can even use my phone for some reason now.
Aaliyah is going to be one of the witches from Hocus Pocus. I cannot wait to do her hair and makeup for this one. So cute.
Good morning, sweetie. Big stretches.
Of course, I have to sneak in all my little kisses and huggies I can in the morning from little Miss Jolene.
Bless you. Bless you, Mama. Bless you. Good morning.
Mommy.
Okay, how about we make some pancakes? You want to help me?
I'm gonna make new.
Yeah, you want to help me make pancakes?
I'm gonna make pancakes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a candy pancake.
Yeah, we can make pumpkin pancakes.
Killing.
Yeah,
Check.
okay.
And make pumpkin
Yeah.
pancakes.
We gotta turn Joe's swing on.
Here we mixed 2 cups of pancake mix, a half cup of pumpkin, and 1.5 cups of water, along with a teaspoon of vanilla and a little bit of nutmeg. And this made the perfect pumpkin pancakes. Let me tell you, they were so delicious. And of course, this cannot go without a pumpkin coffee. I have the pumpkin munchkins creamer and then topped it with some whipped cream, along with a drizzle of caramel. And let me tell you guys, this coffee was so tasty. And of course, I had to use my favorite skull cup, the see-through one. And then here is my son getting a little taste in.
That's good.
Is it good?
I have been on a fried potato kick lately, so of course I cut up some petite diced potatoes that my mother gave me. These potatoes were so good, and we fried them up with, of course, lots of seasonings because I really love to add a lot of seasoning to my potatoes and some butter. And then, yeah, fry those babies up along with some bacon. And let's see, here I go, adding all those seasonings in. Some pepper. And then I have my Amish seasoning, Mrs. Hart's. And then some paprika. And then some Lowry seasoned salt. And then some garlic salt. A little onion powder. Next, I have to just add some butter. And then mix that all up together. I did almost a half a stick of butter with these potatoes. There. Is that better? See these strings hanging from your jammies. Love you even though you're a little pain in my booty sometimes. Yeah. We got those crispy burnt bacon. Thanks to our sweetheart Jolene. And then there's Leah. Back up, then you can see yourself. There you are. All right. Let's get our bacon. Okay, it is time to put our pancakes on the griddle. I have Jolene on the baby backpack because she was just not content on her own. So I had to take matters into my own hands, and sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, and I am wearing her right now. I just can't bear to sit and listen to her cry. Usually she lets me put her down, but just for some reason, she didn't want to be put down. You know, it could be gas or anything really. So I'd rather her be happy and content versus just letting her cry and cry, because nobody wants to just listen to that. And I love her so much. Look at these potatoes. They are nice and golden. And I also fried some bacon on the other side. And then would you just take a look at these pancakes? They are beautiful. This one is perfect. The other one, however, I think I flipped a little too early, but that's okay. It still turned out delicious. Here they all are on the plate, all finished. I highly recommend this pancake recipe. They turned out so delish, and everybody seemed to really enjoy them. Recording Layla and Evie, my new favorite. Bye, Layla.
I'm the better one.
Buto's like, at Michael's, we got our clay, and then we headed on over to the Dollar Tree. Here at the Dollar Tree, we got our Maj Podge, and then we also got some other things. We got a couple paint trays, and we did get some glitter, and also we got some cutting tools for our clay, and yeah, just a couple necessities. Once we got home, Aaliyah and I gathered some beautiful fall leaves from our yard. We have this gorgeous maple tree that just has the most beautiful leaves, and look at these guys. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. We collected a whole bunch of them, even though we didn't need that many, but I just wanted to have a good variety to choose from when we went to do our clay project. And yeah, look at how they change in the sunlight. I love it. Look at a little Leah. She is just the cutest. I love her so much. She is my bestie. Okay, so we got a bunch of leaves, and we are going to make a fall project with our leaves. And we also have some clay and different things from the store. So yeah, can't wait to see what we make. It's gonna be so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's crazy, Aaliyah. Ah! All right, bye. All right, guys. Here's our video.
We're currently wedging our clay because it's pretty hard.
I never even knew of this term, but good thing I had these two artsy gals here.
You gotta
to
wedge
help
it.
me.
No, she's doing it with the heels of her hands.
Let's see, Abby, how do you edge it?
Wedge it.
Wedge it, I mean. You use like the palm, like the bottom palm of your
the
hand?
heels of
like
your
the
hands.
heels of your hands?
We're doing something more advanced than the leaf.
Here,
We're
wait.
making a tray.
Ram's head wedging. That's what it's called.
Wedging.
It almost like the Ram's head, like
Very nice. Okay.
Layla, let's see how
I
you
do a
wedge
slither
it.
technique.
You guys sound like two old women. Like two old ladies.
What are you making your like thing on it? I was thinking maybe a strawberry.
Oh.
Was that not strawberries?
Abby, what about you?
Maybe a blueberry.
Have we Oh, that'd be so cute. That'd be very fall aesthetic. Love it. Pumpkin. Oh, a little ghost. That would be adorable. Or a little candy corn. Or an egghorn. Oh, did you guys preheat the oven? Okay. Because we don't capture all the
Are we gonna speed this part up?
goodness. Yeah.
I'm off. Are we gonna put music over it?
This
I
can.
song. Yeah.
Spinning monkeys.
So basic.
Okay, here we are working really hard on wedging our clay and getting it ready to shape. As you see, I have my leaves picked out there and I am so excited to get started. We are all each making something different, which makes this craft really fun because you get to just do your own thing and whatever you feel like doing at the time. And I wanted to do a leaf tray. The girls just kind of wanted to make their own thing, which is totally fine. All of our stuff, I think, came out super cute. Here I am putting the clay over the leaf so I can roll it out and get that leaf shape embedded into the clay. This actually was pretty simple, especially for somebody like myself who has never done a clay project before. So I would highly recommend this like as a beginning project. I think it's super fun and super easy. Like it wasn't hard to do at all. You just gotta have a little bit of imagination and the things you can make are really endless with the clay. I liked the bake clay, not the no bake one, because my daughter said the air dry clay takes a long time. So that's why we went with the baking clay, and yeah, in 15 minutes it was baked and it cooled really quickly actually. My first leaf did not come out how I wanted it to. Well, it did come out, but I accidentally broke a piece off. So I decided to try and make another one. So I did do 2 clay leaves, which was, like I said, because I broke the first one on accident. Here I am cutting out the leaf with the little cutting tool that we got from the Dollar Tree. Honestly, this tool worked great. That's why I love the Dollar Tree. They're full of cheap little tools and things that you need for projects when you don't feel like spending a lot of money on them, especially if you don't know if you're going to do it again. Therefore, you don't feel so bad trying out something new. All that crafting sure makes you tired, so I decided it was time to start dinner. I made some cornbread stuffing along with some ribs on the grill. Our grilling season is coming to an end as the weather gets cooler and it's starting to become more of a slow cooker crock pot season for fall. These ribs were delicious, slathered in some sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. And then, of course, I served them with some instant mashed potatoes and some green beans as well as some fresh cut up fruit. And it was perfect. Chef's kiss. Time to fuel up on some coffee because we still have to paint our projects. Here I am painting a light sage on one of my leaves. The other one is like an almond color. We are going for some simple earthy tones here, guys. Oh my goodness, aren't these looking actually pretty cute? And would you look at Layla's cute little peach jewelry dish? I am in love with it. It is looking adorable. She is such a crafty little girl. By 7:15. Here I am painting one of the leaves an almond color. I really like the natural earthy tones, you guys. They are looking so good. I'm in love. Here I am mixing up some colors to paint the abstract little dish that I made. I am just really, really loving the earthy tones and the vibes that they are giving. Oh my goodness, guys, look at how this dish is coming out. I am in love with the color. I love like how the highlights show up as I am painting it. This is so cute. Here are all the projects just painted. Now they need their coat of Mod Podge and then they will be complete. Here's your shark, Buto. It's a shark. Isn't that cool? And you can paint him. Look at, you got all your paints. Good boy. Take a photo. Ready? Show me your shark, Buto. So good.
I got all the colors.
Yeah, you did. It's a rainbow shark. Good job, buddy. You did awesome. Oh, wait. Look at Layla so far.
Sonia just pointed out that looks inappropriate and nasty. I didn't notice that first.
Hey, Sonia. Sonia's making an appearance in our YouTube video.
Oh my gosh, she's so making like those glowing.
This is looking so beautiful. I am loving the aesthetic. No, it does. It looks really good.
I'm trying
I like it.
It looks really
I like the border. It looks so cute.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And Sonia, what are you making?
I'm making an 8-ball for Henry because it's gonna be super cute, hopefully.
For your 8-month anniversary? Yeah.
You better give me something too.
You better. And then Buto's back to work now on a pumpkin. He's working really hard. Hi, Buto. What are you making, bud?
A pumpkin paint.
Oh, pumpkin paint. Oh, so simple. I love it. It's looking really good. Okay, I got Mod Podge on my leaf, and then I have this leaf, and I have my like abstract bowl, and then we have the little pumpkin. It's so cute. I think it's gonna be a ring holder. Okay guys, I decided to go a little crazy and paint some natural looking leaf lines into the leaf. I mean, it looks like a kindergarten did it, but I think overall it wasn't too bad. And here are all my finished projects. Guys, this was my first time doing it, so they are by no means perfect, but they were so fun to do.
Hey guys, so thank you for spending the day with us yesterday and doing fall stuff and crafting. I got so tired that I didn't even film like anything else when we were done because by the time we got back from dance and everything, I was just exhausted. But yeah, everything I think came out really cute for like my first time doing clay. This is my little pumpkin ring holder, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the items that I made. All right, bye. Okay, so for the pumpkin, I have these really cute rings. I thought I would use it as a ring holder. So adorable. And yeah, I always take my rings off at the end of the night, so I think that would be cute just to have something to put them on real quick. Just gonna leave these leaves here to kind of put like little trinkets in, you know, change or anything I need to set down for the day. I could put on my leaves. I think they're so adorable. They also look cute with like a little candle on them. There's Layla's little dish. It is a little peach, and I think she's gonna use it to put like jewelry in. I think it came out super cute. Also have this dish, my abstract dish. This, I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put, but I'm gonna find somewhere to put it. I think it would be cute just to kind of put down, like, say you take off like your necklace after a long, hard day's work and you just need to put it somewhere. I think it'd be perfect for something like that, you know, just until you get it put away where it needs to go. But yeah, I think they're very cute little dishes, and I think it was a very fun project. And I highly recommend this to anybody looking to do a cheap fall craft, because at the end of the day, they may not have came out perfect, but they were fun to do, and I will always remember that when I look at them. Yep, just that's what it's about anyways, is creating memories. You guys, they are so cute, and I love all the earthy tones. Anyways, I just love fall. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, you guys have a great day, okay? Bye.